No more check engine light. Check engine light is off for now. Well, I already know it because I just put this catalytic converter on, so it's off for now. Just put it back on and saying low gas, but I really don't have low fuel. Like I said, I just took the battery off and all that. My fuel pump is messed up. I'm gonna be changing that soon. One of these damn days. Alright, y'all. So, I spent all day, well, not all day. I spent a few hours yesterday putting on my Cadillac converter, and it sounded like this because the end piece down here now it's not nothing welding and everything. At first, I run a straight pipe, and then I bought a little cheap Cadillac converter off of Amazon, about $70. It's a MagnaFlow. Cadillac converter, and I put it on here. It sounded like this because piece of tailpipe, the piece of pipe I had on the back end from where they cut it at, it fell off. And it sounded like this. But tell me what y'all think. Do you like the sound or do you not like the sound? I'm gonna get in it so you can hear it when I'm sitting in it. So you can hear how it sounds. Yes, this is an Expedition. It's a like I say, it's a MagnaFlow muffler on here. It sound better before it fell off the cause not enough pipe left to put a clamp on there. So I just try to force it on there and hope that it's stable. Obviously yesterday it fell off after I put it on there. It's just a little small piece that you got reconnected. I'm going to an auto parts store and get I'll probably try to get another small flex tube, cause I bought a 24-inch flex tube and I cut it so that I could have come down off the downpipe, and then I cut the end so it can go at the back where the Y-split at, and it's cut on an angle and it's not that much left. I got probably like 2 inches left, so I got to try to force it. On one side I got like 2 inches left, so I got to try to force it to stay. It's enough for the pipe to catch onto it though, but like I said, yesterday it fell off yesterday. Driving shit, so now it's just hanging, and it's just the downpipe from the flex tube to the Cadillac converter, all the clamp, and then the back end that fell off. It's still clamp on there. It just fell off the 2 inches of the pipe that's left at the Y split. So I just gotta even go buy another little small flex tube, or just try to put that on there and then get some probably try to get some hooks and everything so it won't rattle or move that much, because this thing do rattle. Or just get some muffler tape, I think that's what it's called, and just wrap it on there. Hopefully it'll stay up there and everything, and it won't actually sound like this. But tell me what y'all think in the comments. Do y'all like the sound of it or not? And once I put it back on, I'm gonna upload another video and let y'all hear how it sounds and everything. It don't sound like an Expedition. I want this bad boy to be quiet, but right now I don't have the money to buy OEM Cadillac converter with the reservoir. I think it's called a reservoir or reservoir or something like that to dampen the noise. But I just don't like this Chevy sound. It don't sound like that with that when it's connected to the muffler. It don't sound that bad, but you still can hear that deep, like it got flow masters on here and everything. But like I said, this a MagnaFlow catalytic converter I got, and I also have a MagnaFlow muffler too. But I just don't like this much because you know this is an expedition, this is a cruise vehicle. This ain't no gun it every time vehicle and stuff. But it sound like this, so I will gun this bad boy every time because I kind of like the sound of now. If I had a Chevy, I wouldn't mind hearing that sound and everything and stumping out and gunning and stuff. But you know, this an expedition, man. 024 Expedition, 80 Bauer. This a cruise vehicle, man. This a Cadillac. This the Cadillac of Forest right here. Still no check engine light. I told you my check engine light was only on because I ain't had no Cadillac converter. That's the only reason my check engine light was on. I ain't had no Cadillac converter. It's still running strong. It's only this loud. It's only this loud right now because I put the catalytic converter on. It's not welded. It's flex tube, and one of the flex tube fell off the back. Y-spilt. I didn't clamp it because there ain't nothing much really for it to clamp on too. Not like when I straight piped, I was able to force the pipe to stay on there. I didn't have that much left for the second little small piece of flex tube I had on the end of the pipe. When I had a straight pipe, the catalytic converter was just a little bit shorter, so I had to put most of it put most of the catalytic converter inside of the pipe, so it won't stay on there. So, but I got another 24-inch, quarter-inch pipe. Only need like a little bit, half of it, or I'm just gonna put some muffler tape on there that will seal it. And probably seal off any possible other exhaust leak. But how do it sound right here, though? I only live 10 minutes from my job, which is I'm into now. Most days, my temperature gauge don't even move. Most days, I can let the truck. I normally pull right off, but sometimes I probably sit a minute or two messing around. It still don't even. It's right now. It's cool, kind of cold in Las Vegas, so it still don't even really warm up. I had to let my truck sit a little bit. Even after driving to work, I normally sit probably a minute or two before cutting the engine off. Yeah, I ain't had no problem out of the truck, even with the catalytic converter going off of it. Actually, I think it probably drove a little bit better. Probably drove a little bit better without the catalytic converter on it. I really can't tell the difference. All in all, I'm happy though, you know. For now.